Rich nigga bankroll. Just a while ago I used to wear the same clothes. I can see you fuck niggas from all angles.
Yes, Lil Jon again. Yeah. This one here's for the ladies that like to dance. Yeah. Hold on, no. The ladies that like to work. Roll your body, work those hips. 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 Roll, work, roll, work, roll, work, roll, work. Yeah, ladies, yeah. It's time to work. If you didn't come to sweat, what? You need to leave right now. Get out. But ladies, if you want to work it out, I need to see your hands up. Let's go. Left to right, move your body to the bass. Left to right, move your body to the bass. Up and down, hop your body to the sound. Up and down, hop your body to the sound. Left, right, up, down. Show me what you got, make your body tick tock. Show me what you got, make your body tick tock. Make your tummy black, put a arch in your back. Make your tummy black, put a arch in your back. Tick tock, arch your back, arch your back. Let's go, let's work. 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 Your body, work those hips. Roll 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 your body, work those hips. Roll, work, roll, work, roll, work, roll, work. I know y'all not over there acting like you tired. You thought you was working, huh? Nah, you're not working yet. Now it's really time.